Okay, so I think I'm actually recording. What I'm doing today is my wife's, I've got a computer here, which is, if you can read this, an MSI GE62 6QD Apache Pro laptop. And the problem we're having is with the screen, sometimes the bottom part of the screen here will digitize and goes all crazy. Now if we close the laptop and open it back up, generally it fixes itself. So I have purchased a replacement screen, and I went one step further and also got the ribbon. Now the only thing I'm really interested in here today is showing you the screen. Jonas, you're going to have to go down, bub. I'm sorry. Go. Okay. Now on this screen, changing it's pretty simple. You got to put your fingers kind of on the sides and gently pull, and you hear it click, and you'll hear this separate all the way around. You want to do this all the way around on your thing. Okay? Now comes the difficult part. Along this bottom edge, they have double-sided tape. So I'm assuming you either need to warm it up, which we're going to do. And it's that simple. Now, if you were just replacing the screen, you'd simply be doing what I'm doing here, taking only off this rubber double-sided tape, attempting to keep it straight and not get it all wrinkled up, because if you're lucky you can reuse it. It's got a series of screws, top right, top left, bottom left and bottom right, that allow you to take this out, and then you disconnect the ribbon from the back side of it and connect the new one and install it. Hold on a second here. I get a little bit of tape in my way. So pull the tape off there. It's always good to be careful with the tapes and all that stuff, because they do serve a purpose. So put the correct screwdriver bit in here. I'll turn this around. And I've got this one, I believe will work.